So today we're installing two new rear tail lights, switching from the stock to LEDs. This is a 2015 Silverado, and loading my snowmobile. I cracked the rear one, so it gave me a good excuse to buy some new ones, a little more cooler, and we'll just walk you through the video. So this is this fits the 2014 to 2018 Chevy Silverado. It's called the Sinister Black LED Neon Tube Smoke Tail Light. I got this off of eBay from VIP Moto Z, and the look just looks really nice. So it's pretty much, to show you the wiring, you can see the brake lights are there, and then you've got to install the reverse. Everything's nice and clean. You just got to make sure you line up the black on the black with the corresponding on the truck side. And there's your two connecting bolts, which are basically there and there. So we'll take off the light and install the new one. Okay, and there it is installed. Looks great with the black. I'll do a little more video on the other side showing the plugs, how to plug it in, and they're a little stiff, but it's actually work. What do you think, Rusty? Rusty! Okay, so there's the brakes. Right signal. Reverse. Using the existing bulb. Here's kind of before and after. I've taken out the two screws, top and bottom. You just give this a little pull, makes a bit of a noise. Pull straight out. There you go. And then that's the back. So you got the top, your reverse light, the bottom one, and then you just unscrew these. I got a little water in there because I broke my tail light, but a little tight. And then I'm just going to, I'll just give this a cleaning because you're not in there that often. Just get rid of some of the grime and the salt because we get a lot of salt here in the winter, so I'll clean that up. You take out the bottom bulbs. A little bit of water in there because I had that. That's not good. The top bulb. The middle one's the reverse light, so that stays in. A bit of cleaning. And then I clean the inside just to get rid of any grime around the edges of the light. So then you take the light. So it's very important, the black line here. You got a warning here, black to black. The black just lines up with the black here, green to green, black to black. So you just plug it in like this. Green's on the bottom. It needs to spin up. So that's at the top. So there's green to green. It's kind of tricky because they've got this reversed. Green's on the bottom. So there's green to green. Just clicks in. Green there to green top, and then here you got your reverse lights, just a little cover to keep dirt and stuff out. And then this goes up. So yeah, these These are kind of tricky once they get into tighten. Okay, that's in. And then you got to tighten these two, and don't leave these loose. You got to make sure they're in. Not all the way. These ones are tough. So I just use my Allen key to spin it, lock it in. And then the top, or the bottom, sorry. Line it up. Have it all done and installed. Probably takes total maybe 10 minutes aside.